Break the heat with the drinks from my today's recipe 4 types of Nimbu Pani, which will help you feel refreshing the whole day. Let's get started. Put in a mixer jar half kg watermelon, roughly chop and blend well. Now with the help of strainer, strain it. Next, in a glass, put 4 to 5 cubes of ice, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, pour prepared juice and fill the glass and mix well. This watermelon Nimbu Pani is ready. Now we'll prepare Nimbu Pani. Put 4 to 5 ice cubes in a glass, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1/4 spoon black pepper powder, add water and mix well. Yummy Nimbu Pani is ready. Now we'll prepare Rooh Afza Nimbu Pani. Take 4 to 5 ice cubes in a glass, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons rose syrup, 1 pinch salt, add water and mix well. This Rooh Afza Nimbu Pani is ready. Now we'll prepare ginger mint Nimbu Pani. Put 4 to 5 ice cubes in a glass, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger juice, 1 tablespoon mint leaves finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 pinch salt, add water and mix well. This ginger mint Nimbu Pani is ready. 4 types Nimbu Pani are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.